Hello and welcome back to the Joyful Soul Creates. Lady Joyful here, and today I'm showing you how to make these cute cat bookmarks using the Your Next Stamp Cute Cat Bookmarks dies. And I'm going to be using lots of snippets. I have quite a big pile of snippets that I searched through for appropriate colours, so I will be using those with the die set to make my little cats. And I normally do my die cutting off screen, but seeing as the whole point of this video is the die cutting, I figured I should bring it down in frame to show at least the cutting of the first cat. And this first cat is a ginger tabby cat, and I was thinking of one of my cats back in England that lives with my brother. His name is Woody, but I call him Pumpkin, and he is a ginger tabby, so I thought I would make a cat reminiscent of him for this first one. So I'm starting by cutting the base, and I've laid the eyes into it. I will use some washi tape to stick them in place so that they don't move. So I'm cutting those from some yellow, and I have some orange to cut all the accessory parts. So I'll run those back and forth through the die cutting machine. My machine is a Big Shot. And there you can see the base which has been cut out, and the eyes and nose come out, and then it's also made marks for the whiskers and the mouth. And here are all the little accessories which I'm just going to use my tweezers to carefully poke them all out. So there's the ears, the inner part of the ears, 3 stripes, a bow, and I'm not sure what that other part is meant to be, so if you have any idea, do let me know. I decided I wanted a pink nose and black eyes for this cat. Woody doesn't have black eyes, but that's what I went with. So I'm just laying some snippets on either side of the face die, and just running those through so I can get the parts that I want. And that gives me all my elements. I did go and cut some more of the orange pieces so that I could have more stripes, and I cut another of the base bookmark piece, which I covered with double-sided tape before cutting, so that that way it makes it easier to put everything together. I did miss a bit of tape on the bottom of the foot, so I put some glue pen there. Then I'm going to lay the ears into place, that way they will be sandwiched in between the 2 layers of the bookmark. And doing 2 layers, as well as making it easier to put everything together, also makes it sturdier, which is good if you want to be using it as a bookmark. Once the ears are in place, I will put the top portion into place, and it probably would have been easiest to put the inner ears on the ears before attaching them to the base of the cat, but I didn't think of that at the time, so I didn't do that. I'm going to use my reverse tweezers just to help me pick up all the little pieces, and I will start by laying in the facial features, and of course because I put that double-sided tape on the base part, I don't need to add any extra glue for those. All the other parts though do need glue. Of course you could put double-sided tape on all your pieces before die cutting them, and then they can just have the backing removed and just be put straight into place, and that might be easiest if you want to do it that way. The left ear I didn't get quite as far in as it should go. It doesn't look too bad though, and you could always cover that up with a bow if you like. So now I'm going to start laying in stripes, and here again I'm going to use my glue pen just to attach those. You have to be careful not to put too much, otherwise it will ooze out, and I did have that problem a few times. I found that 2 little dots worked well. So I'm doing 3 stripes on the top of the head and 2 either side, and then I decided to add a stripe to each of the front legs. And of course you have to be careful that you're not blocking the movement of the arms as you do them when you glue those stripes into place. And for the back legs, I decided to use the orange portions that were actually inner ears. They kind of look like wider stripes, and I thought that would work nicely for the back legs. I do also have the add-on die set, and I will be making a video using those, which will be coming soon. And there is a tail in that you could probably use for the cat as well if you want. The last thing I'm going to put on this cat is a little blue bow, and the bow can be either a hair bow or a bow tie. And because I'm making this cat to be like my cat Woody, as I said earlier, I decided to do it as a bow tie. So next I'm going to show you another cat that I made, which is this black cat, and I'm not going to go through the process again because it's pretty much the same. This black cat could be just a black cat, or you could think of it as a panther. And I used black for all the features other than the eyes, which I used yellow eyes. This time around I put the double-sided tape on the front portion, but I think it's better to have it on the back portion instead. And my third cat is a little calico cat, so I used a white base and I used some of the inner ear portions as stripes on the arms. I gave a orange ear and a silver ear, and I used those kind of blobby parts that I'm still not sure what they're meant to be used for to add the splodges on the calico cat. Okay, and I did turn the ginger tabby cat into a card, and you can find details of that over on my blog. I didn't share how I did that here because I wanted this video just to focus on the making of the bookmarks. But there is a link below to the blog post if you want to see that. Thank you for watching today's video. I've linked some more videos that you may enjoy here. You can click the bubble to subscribe and never miss a video, and the like button is below. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments as well as over on social media and my blog. Links to all those and to the products used are in the description box. Happy crafting, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!